Hi guys! Lately, as it's winter time, I've been having the worst flaky dry skin, so today I'm going to show you how I give myself a facial at home. Skincare is something I'm very passionate about, so I have a lot of products, and for this facial, I picked out products that focus on moisture and anti-aging properties, and you don't have to use the exact same products, just use whatever works for your skin and your budget. So to start any facial is cleansing the skin. It's very important. I'm using this foam cleanser by Peter Thomas Roth, which is very gentle and leaves my skin radiant. And I like cleansers that are alcohol free so they don't irritate my skin, especially since it's been so dry lately. Since I don't have a steamer, I like to make my own at home. Herbal steams are very calming to the senses. They open pores and cleanse naturally by purifying and hydrating the skin. So instead of buying these expensive herbal blends, I decided to use this tea I already had at home. It has apple, peach, hibiscus, chamomile petals, and it smells amazing, and it just kind of adds that little extra experience to your facial. So I'm just going to steam over that for a couple minutes. And this is really going to help open the pores and help everything absorb better and just really amplify the benefits of the products. Now that your pores are open, you're ready for the next step, which is exfoliating. And since my skin, it's not in the best shape right now, I'm using a very gentle exfoliant, and I'm just working it into the skin with a brush and then gently exfoliating with my hands. And if you don't have time to do a whole facial, just doing these two steps of steaming and exfoliating will make the biggest difference, I promise. So the first mask for today is this clay mask by L'Oreal, and clay masks are a great way to eliminate toxins and remove dead skin cells. They also boost elasticity and minimize signs of aging. So even a thin layer of this stuff gets so stiff, I can't even move my eyebrows when it dries. And with clay masks, I usually remove them right away after they dry, which is about 10 minutes at the most. Next step is using a soothing moisturizing mask. This particular mask by Kiehl's is a lifesaver in the winter months. I like to keep this in the fridge, so when I apply it to my face, it kind of bursts into a refreshing, cooling hydration and just feels so good. I also highly recommend using skincare products that contain calendula, is that how you say it? Calendula, which helps calm the skin. Calendula is also really cool to add in your facial steam. It's so good for your skin. So usually I keep this anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. Now, technically you don't have to use so many masks, but since I'm at it, I like to kind of layer them and just have fun with it. My last mask is this 24 karat gold mask by Peter Thomas Roth. I've been using this one for over a year now, and it really does make a difference after I use it. This helps to reduce the look of lines and wrinkles and leaving your skin more radiant, smooth, and youthful. And I usually keep this one on the longest, so while I wait, I like to kind of do a couple of things at the same time. This one has gold flakes in it, and apparently Peter Thomas Roth was also a jewelry maker, and he noticed that his skin was really smooth after handling jewelry, so he decided to add it in the product. So while I'm waiting for the mask to do its thing, I'm going to exfoliate the lips, and I'm using this scrub by APA. It's made with sugar and almond seed buffs, so it's really nice, and I just kind of let it sit to moisturize my lips. And might as well add some eye mask, why not? Now that all of that craziness is removed from my face, I like to apply a serum, and I use this Luminous by Tatcha. This is my second bottle, and this stuff is amazing. It kind of has a slight tightening and firming effect, and it also helps fight free radicals, which is a great anti-aging thing. I love this stuff, can't emphasize it enough. And I like to massage about a pump of the product into my face and my neck, and it just feels so nice. And the final step is applying a moisturizer. Today I'm using the Dior Multi-Perfection Cream. And yes, I know this is a little bougie, so you can use whatever moisturizer you have. But I like to kind of focus on the anti-aging properties as well when picking my moisturizer. So this cream actually has done wonders. I really love that even after one use, my skin just feels smooth, revitalized, and kind of corrects the uneven skin tone. And then I'm going to add a little bit of eye cream because that area needs moisture as well. I'm gonna add some lip balm to finish off the whole facial. If you guys enjoyed this video, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!